In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email delegation for team members. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to let a trusted colleague read, send, and manage emails on your behalf in Gmail without ever sharing your password. Let's get started right from your Gmail inbox. First, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click that. This opens a quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. In that panel, you'll see several options, but what we want is the link that says See All Settings. Click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where Gmail keeps all of the more advanced configuration options, including account access and delegation. Across the top of the settings page, you'll see a row of tabs. Find the tab labeled Accounts and Import, and click on it. This section controls how your account interacts with other accounts, including sending mail as different addresses and granting access to your inbox. Now scroll down within the Accounts and Import page until you find the section labeled Grant Access to Your Account. This is the delegation area. Here, Gmail allows you to specify who else can use your mailbox, while you still keep ownership and control. Under that section, click on the link or button that says Add Another Account. When you click this, a new window or prompt will appear. Gmail will ask you to enter the email address of the person you want to delegate access to. This should be a teammate or assistant you trust, ideally within your organization. Type in their email address carefully because this is the account that will receive access to your mailbox. After entering the address, proceed to follow the on-screen prompts. Gmail may ask you to confirm that you really want to grant access, and it will send an email invitation to that person. On their end, your delegate will need to accept the invitation before they can start accessing your mailbox. Once they do, they'll be able to open your inbox from their own Gmail and read, send, and delete messages according to the permissions you've given. Keep in mind that you can always return to this same Grant Access to Your Account section if you ever want to remove their access or add another delegate in the future. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've set up email delegation in a secure, controlled way that makes teamwork around your inbox much easier.